Today we were just going to make a few afternoon tea items which we're going to have in the display fridges which are arriving next week. So sort of over the past, I'd probably say 6 to 8 weeks, me and Taylor, which also is working with me in the tea room, have been developing different patisserie products which we think suit the individual pottery which we're having made as well at the same time by Emma and her team. We're going for very delicate, very simple looking desserts which we think showcase the pottery. And then we're going to do the warabi mochi. And this is the warabi mochi with strawberries and matcha. The goal of the Artist Tea Room is to bring together all of the artists in the building. So it's there to showcase the art made by Yasmin, which we have on the walls around the room. Mine and Taylor's culinary skills and the ceramics, which is what we serve the afternoon teas on, which are made by the County Hall Pottery with Emma and her team. And then we also have lunchtime performances made by Emma, violinist, and her quartet. So it's beautiful when all of the things are sort of working together in the same space. Today my next door neighbour came to County Hall to come and see me, and I thought it was a great opportunity to actually get somebody to try some of the things that I've been making so that I could get some feedback.
It's lovely. They look beautiful. Thank you so much.
No worries, I'll bring you over some cutlery.
Thank you. Beautiful, doesn't it look lovely?
That's wonderful.
Gosh, it's mouth-watering just looking at them. Oh, delicious.
And the mochi is the green thing, is it, in that one?
Yes. Yeah, so when I was in Japan, I learned how to make warabi mochi from a chef there. And it's made from warabi starch, sugar and water. Mix it together, put it in the pan, cook it out, and it thickens more and more as you cook it out to create that very stringy texture. It's very unusual for kind of our European palate.
It is.
Yeah. But still, it's interesting. It's nice to try something different.
And then there's a bit of flavour from the green powder.
From the matcha, yeah.
Matcha.
They like to showcase the matcha a lot.
When you get Japanese customers, they're thrilled to find this, are they?
Yeah. They love it, they love it.
So this is the... Oh right, it is sort of... It's squishy.
It's very difficult to eat.
There we go.
It's an unusual...
A bit of that
lovely.
with it. Look at that.
What's the biscuit?
That's like a pastry.
I'll break it and then it's going to... Oh yes.
It's unusual texture.
It's a very strange texture.
Wow, it looks really interesting, doesn't it? Yeah, it's a surprising texture. Isn't it interesting how different cultures have different sort of textures in their cooking? Did you have it with a bit of strawberry?
I did.
Thank you, very lovely.
So pretty.
Would you like some more of this one? I'll finish this one.
So what I'm hoping to do with the artist tea room as well is to showcase all of the things I've learned over the time at County Hall, which includes kind of all of the trips to Japan I've had, the trips to Madrid, all the different chefs that I've had the chance to work with, all of the knowledge I've gained over that time sort of put together. I've got so many ideas which I'm going to put into the artist tea room, and I'm very excited to see what the whole thing becomes.